Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure you have a Google account with the right API enabled and an API key or OAuth client ID. Next, verify network basics. DNS resolves, outbound HTTPS on port 443 allowed, and system clock within 5 minutes of NTP. Once done, enable verbose logging on your client so you capture HTTP status codes and timestamps. These logs are the evidence you need to diagnose connection failures and avoid guessing. Now dive into configuration. You must validate credentials and token flow, refresh tokens, scopes, and any two-step authentication interruptions. Make sure your client supports TLS1, 2 or newer. Inspect the certificate chain and confirm server names match. Once secure transport is assured, check quotas and billing to rule out service denial, and verify you're hitting the intended API endpoint or regional host. These steps explain why connections fail, even when basic networking looks fine. Finish by isolating the client. Run a curl or minimal SDK request to the Google endpoint and compare behavior. If errors persist, rotate credentials cautiously and retry after 1 to 5 minutes while watching quota metrics. Make sure your retry logic uses exponential backoff to avoid rate limits. If you still fail, capture a packet trace and collect HTTP status codes from your logs, then contact Google support with those artifacts. One key troubleshooting tip: always include full timestamps and request ID when reporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.